പ്രസവിച്ചയുടനെ അച്ഛനമ്മമാരിൽ നിന്ന് വേർപെടുത്തപ്പെടുകയും കിബൂസ് ഗ്രാമത്തിലെ ബേബി ഹൗസിൽ വളർത്തപ്പെടുകയും ചെയ്ത ഒരു വ്യക്തി തൻ്റെ വാർദ്ധക്യകാലത്ത് ആ അനുഭവങ്ങളും അതോടൊപ്പം കിബൂസ് ഗ്രാമത്തിൻ്റെ ഇന്നത്തെ സവിശേഷതകളും വിവരിച്ചു തരികയുണ്ടായി. പ്രസ്തുത അനുഭവ വിവരണത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രസക്തമായ ചില ഭാഗങ്ങൾ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് ഇസ്രായേലിലെ ഇന്നത്തെ ഗ്രാമീണ കാഴ്ചകളുടെ ദൃശ്യങ്ങളിൽ ചിലതാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്.
That's a very important question everyone is asking, and I feel it's the most important question. As a kid, when you actually leave your parents' house and go to live by yourself with all the other kids? What's the youngest age?
It's never happened. From the first night of my life, I was put to the baby's house, and my mother was living here in a house that doesn't exist anymore, in one room, just one room, not even toilet.
Right.
And at night I was hungry, yes, she was called to come and feed me, yes. So it was called communal sleeping, yes. And when I became a teenager, I got a room in a teenager neighborhood. And when I finished high school and went to the army, I got another room with someone else, two guys in a room. And only when I got married, we got a small apartment. It was 1.5 room. And slowly, we got bigger and bigger. And now most of the families have nice apartment, so the children with them, yes. When I was a baby, my bed was in the baby house, kindergarten, school children house, not with my parents. It was a small one. Now we have 3-4 bedrooms and a nice kitchen. So families prefer to have supper together with the family, and breakfast. Everyone makes sandwiches and go to school in the morning. So it's a little different. In Israel, every region is quite one unit. Yes, most of the bananas of all what we call here around the lake, Jordan Valley, it's marketed together. Yes, the bananas, the mango, the olives, yes, and some other. Yes, also the milk is taken to some. The kibbutzim in Israel, maybe 8 years ago, invest money to make a very big marketing company. It's called Tnuva. Tnuva is yield, and the gentlemanic agreement is that they take all our agricultural product. They have to take it, but we sell only to them. Yes. So now the company was sold to Chinese. Yes. About 1 million shekel, and nowadays worth about 3 million. But still, the cow said we operate it. Yes, we sell the cows, we have salary from the cows, and so on. In the original kibbutz, no private property. First of all, the land belongs to the government. Yes, and the kibbutz make a kind of hiring of it every 49 years. And the house belonged to the kibbutz. And we decided that